Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a really cool golden ox to celebrate the end of 2020 and the beginning of 2021, as is familiar to us as the year as the golden ox. Also, you might see that this is a baby, as many of my other Minecraft models are, and you might think that this is a cow, right? Kind of. An ox is a male cow. Also, even though this is a baby, all oxes are really strong.
Resilient, majestic.
Here are all the parts you'll be needing to make the head of the golden ox. And make sure to check out the description of this video where my Discord is to download the PDF. Also, this is the body. Once you've made and ironed all of the pieces, it's time to put the whole set together. So first, we're just going to take the front panel, as you can see over here, and we're going to take the side panel, which has one black bead at the front. So we're going to put it so that it completes the eyes. Now we're going to take the back panel and making sure that the two holes that are at the back are facing the top, we're going to put it in. And now finally we're going to take the other side panel and we're going to repeat the step as we did with the previous side. Now we're going to take the top and making sure that all of the holes line up, we're going to put it in. Now we're just going to take the bottom of the golden ox and we're going to make sure that all these three beads line up with the bottom holes of the head. Now also, personally, I really like this model and I hope it really brings good luck in next year too. So now we're just gonna take the whole head completely in, and now we're gonna take the back panel and we're gonna put it into a small hole that's at the part which is really close to the head. So now that it's in, we're gonna take the side panels and we're gonna put them in, making sure that they click, because if it clicks, it means you ironed it well and it's gonna stay together really well. Now we're just going to turn it around and we're going to repeat the step, making sure that the flat part of the legs are facing the front. Now we're going to take the top, and as you can see there are these two mini skewers that are sticking out from the front. We're just going to take it and we're going to push it in. Now we're going to close off the top by clicking it together. Also, I think this golden ox is going to be a gift for someone who really likes Minecraft. Now we're going to take the back panel and we're going to, of course, just put it in the back. And now we're going to take the horns and put them into the slits in the sides of the head. Now that these are in, we're just going to work on putting together the legs. So as you can see, one side is black, one side is beige. So the black part is going to go at the bottom, completing the hooves. Also, there are going to be these notches in the leg. These are where we're going to put in these 1x2 golden connectors. Make sure to repeat the step for every leg. So now we're going to be putting in the other legs. Also, if you're interested in just joining my Discord, because all of my future models will have each and every PDF file for the rest of my models will be all there. So if you want to join the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description to join my Discord. Anyways, now it's for the last leg. And we're almost done. Last connector. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed building this model. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, please join my Discord, and I wish you a Happy New Year.